Good morning, children. In our first video of this chapter, when I was 12, that is the chapter number 3 of your unit 1, we have completed the explanation part and now we will be doing the exercises. Okay, so come to exercise number A, complete these sentences. First one, the school that the narrator attended was a Kannad municipal school. Second, the person who took great interest in the school was the Maharaja of Mysore. Next one, the narrator did not like arithmetic as a subject. Next one, the drawing that the narrator made of his arithmetic teacher made the teacher look like a tiger. Fifth one, the Cadillac car that belonged to one of the Maharajas of Mysore looked like a prince to the narrator. Okay, now come to answer the following question. What did the arithmetic teacher find the narrator doing in the class while he was teaching students? The answer is the arithmetic teacher found the narrator drawing a caricature of him while he was teaching the students. Next question. What became a hobby for the narrator after he drew the caricature of his arithmetic teacher? The answer is it became a hobby for him to liken human figures from inanimate objects to animals. Third one, why did the city bus look like what did the city bus look like to the narrator? He used to stand and watch the city bus. It always looked like someone he knew. People spilling out of the bus began to take the shape of a giraffe or a monkey. Number 4. Why was the cook treated like a prince at the narrator's sister's wedding? The cook was treated like a prince because the entire reputation of the wedding depended on that men's cooking. Okay, fifth one. Why did the cook refuse to cook at the wedding? The cook refused to cook at the wedding because the narrator had made a caricature of him. Okay, come to answer number C. Answer these questions with reference to the context. Okay, that was the time I realized the art of caricature. First question is, who understood the art of caricature? Answer, the narrator understood the art of caricature. Where was he when he understood it? He was in the arithmetic class when he understood it. What had he drawn? Third one, he had drawn the likeness of this arithmetic teacher and he looked very much like a tiger. Question number 2. The art I have chosen is one which rubs everyone on the wrong side. Who has chosen this art? The narrator has chosen this art. Second one, what is the art? The art is to make caricatures. See, what does he do in this art? Answer, he makes a drawing in which the striking pictures or striking features of a person are exaggerated. Third one, question number 3 of this. Answer C. Question C. I have cooked for the Maharaja. I have cooked for Supreme Court judges. Who is I in these lines? The cook who had come to cook at the narrator's sister's wedding is I here. Okay. What is the context of these lines? Answer. The cook was angry and felt he had been insulted because the narrator had made a caricature of him. Okay. Third one, did he cook finally for the wedding? Yes, a clever uncle wooed him back and got him to agree to cook for the wedding. Okay, now again come to question number D. Think and answer. Why do you think the narrator says that the art he chose is the one which rubs everyone on the wrong side. Okay, now he says these people do not like to see their exaggerated appearances. They feel insulted and they do not have sense of humor. Because of this, they are thinking that the author is thinking that everyone who sees the picture rubs on the wrong side. Okay. Question number 2. Why do you think the Cadillac seemed like a prince to the narrator? Because it was royal, long, and looked rich like a prince to him. Okay, third one. Do you think the narrator became an artist because his family supported him? Definitely, because he was being given support from his family. That is why. Definitely was given implements and not told to study instead of drawing. That is why he was able to be a caricature. Okay, now come to the next one, playing with words. Okay, you have learned that we add a suffix to the root word to make a new word. Okay, for example, subconscious plus ly, subconsciously, like plus ness, likeness. Okay, so here in this box what we have to do, write the words that can be used with these suffixes, put a cross where no new word can be formed. One has been done for you. Some spellings may change when we are adding these suffixes. The spellings may change. Okay, first one is being done for you. Comfort. The root word is comfort, and after adding ed it will be comforted. Okay, forget, we cannot make any new word with that. Okay, by adding ed. So agree, agreed, manage, managed, sketch, sketched, question, questioned, gain, gained. Okay, with full we can make only two words here. From comfort we cannot make any word. Forget, yes, we can make forgetful. With agree, no, we cannot make. Manage also, no words there. Sketch also, no words there. Question also, no words. Gain, yes, we can make gainful. Okay, now with able, comfortable, forgettable. For agree we don't have the word. For manage, yes, it is manageable. For sketch we don't have the word. For question, yes, it is questionable. For gain we don't have. Okay, by adding less we cannot have any word. From comfort we have comfortless. With forget we don't have. Agree, no word there. Manage, also no word. Sketch, no word. Question, no word. From gain, also no word. Okay, now here what you have to do in question number B, replace the underlined words with the synonyms from the box. The synonyms are given in the box. So here you have to replace that word and you have to write. First one, I was pleased to hear that the cook would come back. Second one, I did not possess a crayon till I was 7. Number 3, my development as an artist was as much my doing as theirs. Fourth one, I was so engrossed in my drawing that I did not notice him. Fifth one, my outstanding drawing was appreciated by everyone. Sixth, I was encouraged to keep drawing and sketching. Now come to the next one, that is learning the language. Okay, A1, underline the subject, predicate and object in this sentence. We have already discussed what is the subject, what is the predicate and what is the object in the sentence in our grammar. Okay, so let's do the answer here. Number 1, here you have to underline the subject, predicate and object. Okay, so you can write S beside the subject and you can underline the rest. Okay, so she here is the subject, so mark it as a subject. Visits is your verb and Ear is your object. Okay, now come to the next one. Sunitla, it is your subject. Wasn't able to finish is your verb, and her soup is your object. Now come to the third one. Our parents, that is your subject. Need is verb. A new car is your object. Fourth one, I, subject. Don't think is the predicate here. Fifth one, people spilling out of the bus, that is your subject. Began to take the shape, that is your predicate. Of a giraffe or a monkey, that is your object. Come to number 6 one. That is your subject. Is my profession is predicate. Seventh one, everyone is subject. Hung, verb. Upon his words is your object. Eighth one, laughter is your subject. Spread, verb. And like wildfire is your object. Okay, now come to the question number B. Okay, complete these blanks with correct phrases to make complete sentences. Rewrite the sentences with the correct punctuation marks. Okay, we have to fill the complete the blank with the phrase here. Okay, let's start. I painted a portrait for him. Second, in a time of crisis you must stay calm. Third one, a particularly nasty attack of influenza laid him down for a week. Fourth one, it was simple yet it took hours to complete the task. Fifth one, we mumbled an apology quickly. Sixth, could he recognize it from the pictures? Seventh, suddenly I felt it was time to leave. Eighth one, the mistake was mine. Okay, now come to the next one. Imagine you were one of the cousins of R.K. Lakshman's sister's wedding. You saw Lakshman making the caricature of the cook and how the cook got annoyed. Write an informal letter to the cousin who lives in Delhi narrating the incident. Again, informal letter you have to write. Informal letter is written to your friends or relatives. And again, we start to whom we are going to send the letter, then that name there, and then again we are writing the body of the letter, and with love your signature here means your name here, not the sign, and then we will complete the letter. Okay, and in the body of the letter we will be describing the incident or the thing that is being asked in the letter. Okay, so that's it. Your chapter is completed. Your exercises is over. Okay then, bye.